Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Google Classroom tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. Suppose you want to give an assignment and receive it back. It is very easy to do in Google Classroom. To create that, come to Google Classroom, open the class. On the top, click on Classwork tab. Here we need to click on Create, and from the drop-down menu, please select Assignment. And it will open an assignment window where we can add assignment title and enter the instructions if required. And below the instructions box, there are few options: add or create an assignment. We can add an assignment from our local computer, or a file from Google Drive, or a YouTube video clip, and a link to any source found on the internet. First, I want to add a file from my local computer. Come to Upload, click on Browse. Please find the file on your local computer. On desktop, I have PDF document. I'm selecting that, click on Open. And beside, we will get few more options. Click on the down arrow. Here we can set students can view the file, students can edit the file, or make a copy for each student. I'm selecting make a copy for each student so that every student will get a copy of this document. Similarly, I want to add a link to one of the YouTube video, and click on add link. After this, we can set the values for this assignment in right pane. We can give the access to all the students or specific students in this class, and we can set the points 100 or unmarked. I'm selecting 100 points, and also select the due date for this assignment to complete. Also, we can set the time, it is optional one, and select the topic this assignment belongs to. And finally, we can click on assign, and here we will get few more options. Click on the down arrow. If we want, we can schedule this assignment, or we can save this assignment as draft, and we can discard the draft so that the assignment will be deleted completely. I'm selecting assign. Assignment created. That's it. From the teacher side, we have successfully created an assignment and send it to the students. Open the assignment. Here it is showing 0 in handed in. That means no student yet attempt this. And for the number of the students, it is assigned. Now let's check how it will be displayed from student side. In another browser, I am logging with one of the student ID. Now come to Google Classroom. Open the class, and here they will get a notice regarding this assignment. Assignment 1 due on Thursday. If you want, you can click on it here to open it. Otherwise, they can come to classwork. Under Windows topic, they will find assignment 1, and they can click on the assignment and finish the task showing here. After completing this, they can let us know by clicking on turn in. Again, from the teacher side, in handed in, it is showing one student. Click on it to view which student handed in this. Below it will show that student's name. If the teacher likes the student work, he can give the marks right here only, and click on return to send the scorecard to the student. Student will be notified and can check any grade that you have left. Once submission returned, again come to the student site. When they open the assignment, they can find the marks they got. Like this, we can create an assignment and receive it back in Google Classroom. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.